Paws listing update. It is now official. Paws is going to list on the 18th of March 2025. Look at it right here. The ticker is Paws, and this information was given on their official X handle. Look at it. This very official X page is where this information is coming from right now. So Paws is going to be listed on the 18th of March 2025. So congratulations if you are on this very airdrop, because I personally believe this airdrop is going to do well. This token is going to do well when it hits major exchange, and this is very important and one of the most interesting updates today. And if you go down a little bit, they say claim will be available via at paws.community. Paws has not been listed yet, so be very careful with interacting on any website or following a link that is not from the Paws team, especially that is not the paws.community website. That is very important, because if you do, you may lose your hard-earned token. Do not interact with any website or contracts stating otherwise. This is very important, so that you be careful with any malicious link interaction. So this is a very important update, guys. Paws is now getting that listing on the 18th of March 2025, and it is a very amazing news. If you watch my immediate last Paws video, I was talking about the listing to happen on the 11th or 18th, okay? And if this did not come true, we should be looking at the 25th, but eventually we are now looking at 18th, which is confirmed from multiple sources. Not only that, from the official Paws X page, as you can see right here. So this is a very big news right now, guys. This is very important. If you're on the Paws airdrop, get ready, because I believe strongly the claim button will be active very soon, and that token of yours will be translated into dollars, and I believe it's going to perform well compared to many other airdrops that we've seen they're listing this very year. So this is a very important information, guys. Now, one thing that is also very important here is that we must have to wait for the exchanges, okay, to make similar announcement, because this is a double check confirmation. So if Paws make announcement about listing, then the exchange need to make the same announcement, okay? To have these two confirmation is 100% guaranteed that the listing is going to be this very date. So let's wait for the exchanges to make that announcement. And one of the exchange I believe that is on top of the list is Bybit and OKX. Every other exchange is going to come on board. I don't think Binance is going to come, but if they do, it will be a bonus for this very token, because it will make the token to move all the way to the upside. And this is a very important thing right now, guys. So stay calm, and the listing is going to come definitely on the 18th of March 2025, as the Paws team have clearly stated on their X handle right here. And as you know, my price prediction remains the same. However, I still believe things can still move upward, and I'm still going with my price prediction of 0.0005, okay, 305, and price is going to move upward to 0.005, and it can even do above this as well. But this is where I am expecting the price to be within 24 and 72 hours of listing of this very token on major exchanges. So we can use this as well to do some calculation and know the range of our dollar equivalent of this very token even before it hits major exchanges. So this is a very important update, guys, thanks to the Paws community, especially if we finally see this very listing come true on the 18th of March 2025. And this is just below 14 days from today to that very listing. So stay tuned, guys, and wait for further announcement about claiming. And also, most importantly, the exchanges need to make the same announcement, and this is very important. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto updates like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment, for more crypto updates, news, day trading and investing strategies. Thanks for your support.